How to sell on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on crypto.com. Now, any crypto that you own that you wish to withdraw it or that you wish to sell it, here is how you can do it. First, open up the crypto.com application, tap on the crypto logo at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on it, there you'll find the option crypto wallet under the trade. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it there, what you want to do is you can see their option that says sell. You'll see your list of cryptocurrencies that you own first. So you want to tap on a particular crypto and you'll get the options there: buy, sell, and transfer. So you want to simply tap and sell, and then it'll ask you to enter in the amount and such. You want to affiliate the rate. You can see the rate there and you can see the amount that you'll be gaining and such. And you want to simply tap on confirm your order and your order will be placed and it'll be sold. So this way you can sell crypto on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.